in the shop. Look, where we are, Tomaso, we don't know. Why did this happen?
What lecture did you know?
I am already recording I'm recording the lecture, and I will make sure the link is given to you immediately after the lecture. All of you will get it through your course, through your governor.
Okay, sir.
I'm already recording it.
Thank you, sir.
Even though I
can you click on mute all from your end? Mute all from your end. So that everybody's muted. You will see it where you have participants.
Where you
have participants, mute all.
Sorry, hello. What if you want to ask a question? We are saying you demand to mute everybody. Speak for yourself, not everybody.
You can see
If you want to speak, you raise your hand now. That's why they have the function of raising hand. Let him mute all.
That's exactly what I have done so. I have done so.
Sir, just to jump in, if you have a question, just raise up your hand and the lecturer will call you. So muting all is just to ensure that these people are not disturbing the class when it's going on.
I have done that. I have done that.
Maybe you can comment now.
Juliet.
Yes, baby.
I think it is now 3 p.m. and we can now start. Who is that one? Are you under your husband? Who is that one? What do you want to turn the class to?
Papa, you have capacity to remove her. Please.
So let me quickly share the screen and then we proceed. In my class.
Sir, please, you can remove this person once and for all. She's disturbing.
Maybe it's not much conversative with Submit.
For how many weeks will they be conversant with it?
Sir, we are waiting for your lecture, sir. Please, sir, sir.
Give me some time. Give me some time. Give me some time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Do you all have the access to that to the link that you will use to join? That you will use to join the Zoom, this thing. YouTube.
No, sir. YouTube.
I've sent it to your people.
Hello, sir. It has been sent to the group. If you are busy admin, go to your Telegram page or WhatsApp. If you are fine,
I did not send anything. I did not send anything. Rude, Onifade, you did not send
Onifade send it to them.
I have sent it to the group, sir. Let them go and consult the Telegram group. We have Telegram group for information. Go and consult it. Go and check it there.
Sent to the Telegram group. Okay, we send it.
Waiting to WhatsApp.
She sent it to WhatsApp and she also sent it to the Telegram group.
Oh, okay.
She sent it to WhatsApp and she also sent it to Telegram group. I beg, make we start class, Joe. Which one be all this ones?
It's okay.
I beg, waiting for this one like this. Sure.
Telegram knowledge should call you.
I beg, keep quiet, yo.
Now, I start today's lesson. Last week, we discussed set. We tried to look at what set is all about, the meaning of set, and I gave some example of set, how to identify a set. These are some of the things we discussed last week, and we tried to look at some terminologies as far as set is concerned, that when we say, in fact, we even discussed the specification of set, how set can be specified, that we have two ways of specifying a set. With the one of the ways of specifying a set is by who can mention that?
Listing its members.
Very good. Can you give me
Tabular form?
Very good of you. Now, assuming that I say that the set of cutlery is denoted by a spoon, knife, fork, and I close that bracket. What type of listening type do I use?
Tabular form, sir.
The tabular form.
That one is tabular. Very good of you. I believe you too. You should be able to do that by now. And I said that in specifying a set, we do use capital letter to denote the set itself, while we use small letter to denote the element or members of that set. We know what element or members of a set is. For example, now, this man now, Awosanya, is a member of what? Is a member of set. Are you business admin or accounting, or what are you? What are you?
Business admin, sir.
Accounting, sir.
Accounting. So is this Awosanya accounting or business, or what? What is Awosanya?
Yes, sir.
Are you in business or accounting?
Accounting.
You know your people know you now because you belong to them. We say Awosanya is a member of accounting class. It's a set of accounting class, a member of accounting class. So your people, they know you because you are part of them. You belong to them. If you want to move to that of business now, they will throw you out. They say, no, this is not our member. Or are you their member?
No, sir.
So that is what set is all about. So that is what we did last week. And we want to continue from there. And today, what we want to consider, we want to look at Venn diagram. And when we say Venn diagram, it has a meaning. It has a definition. A Venn diagram is a rectangular figure that indicates the overall relationship between sets. That is what a Venn diagram is. It is a rectangular figure. If you look at this thing, you see that it is rectangular. You see that it is what? It is what? Rectangular. Yeah. That's how we say a Venn diagram is a rectangular figure that indicates the overall relationship between sets. This diagram was invented in the 19th century by John Venn. That is why the diagram is named after the inventor, who happened to be John Venn. So when you see this diagram now, it has a purpose. It has what we use it for. And in most cases, we use this diagram to solve complex problems that involve sets. So that is what we use the diagram for. We can represent sets, members of sets on a what? on a set, on a Venn diagram. You know what we mean by universal set? By universal set, we mean the set that comprises all the sets under this course. We mean the mother set, the one that contains everything that is under this course. So that is what a universal diagram, that's what the universal set is all about. So this Venn diagram, we can use it, or we do use it, to solve complex problems in a set. And in most cases, Venn diagram do have either 2 sets or 3 sets. In most cases, Venn diagrams are limited to represent 2 or 3 sets. If you look at this one, if you look at the diagram that we have here, how many sets does it represent?
2 sets.
2 sets.
Very good.
2 sets.
Very good. Benga, mention the sets.
2 sets, sir.
Mention those sets. Mention those sets, Benga.
AB.
Very good of you. The Venn diagram is used to represent the set A and B. Now, in this Venn diagram, we have 4 regions in this Venn diagram. How many regions do we have in this Venn diagram?
4.
4
regions.
4 regions.
Very good. Let me explain.
4, baby.
Let me show you that those regions. The first region is the region outside the two sets. This region, this one outside that I'm pointing to. Are you with me? Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that is region 1. That is
Yes, sir.
region what?
Region 1.
Very good.
Region
Now,
1.
this is another region. You can see that. Look at this place. This place, from outside this one, from outside here, from outside to everything here, that's another region, isn't it?
Is it?
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes, sir.
region 2. That is region 2. Can you see it now? That's region 2. Now, look at this one. This is another region. Look at this. This one is also another region. The region that is bounded by this arm and this arm. This is another region. Making it how many regions? Making it how many regions, Saib? Making it how many regions, Saib?
3 regions.
Now, Mary, look at the 4th region. Look at the 4th region. This one is the 4th region. Outside this boundary, up to everything here, that's another region. So making 4 regions. Evan, can you identify the 4 regions in a Venn diagram that is used to represent 2 sets? Can you identify them?
Niba.
Yes.
Can you identify them, Evans? Okay, those are the regions that we have. We have 4 regions, and those are the regions. Each of the regions has the name that we given to it. Each of the regions has the name that we given to it and how to represent them in terms of set notation. This one, the region that is outside, is a region where we call North A and North B. You know that in this region, A is not there and B is not there. It is just outside the what? It is just outside the Venn diagram.
Yes, now. You only know.
I'm going to
Sorry,
attend
sir, can you come again, please, sir?
Maybe it's not what.
Hello, sir. Please help us to start again from that.
No.
So that we can understand, please.
Sir, please start again.
Thank you, sir.
Not get the 4 diagram.
Huh?
Sir, can you help us start from the diagram where you
the 4th diagram? I didn't get it.
We are wasting the time.
Yes.
From here, Abi.
Please help us to start.
Yes, sir. From
Let me
the
tell you
diagram.
one. Let me
Beginning
tell
of the
you one thing.
diagram. From the beginning of the
Now.
diagram, sir.
You what?
John diagram.
You know, there's one thing that I
The beginning of the diagram.
Okay, I will do. You know, there's one thing that I inform you that I have told you a little bit before, that everything we are doing now, by the grace of God, by the time we resume physically, I'm still going to take you again, so that you get the best out of it. But well, just let us try as much as possible to just do whatever we can do now. Now, as I was saying, a Venn diagram in most cases is used to represent 2 or 3 sets. In most cases, we use Venn diagram to represent 2 or 3 sets. Now, in this case, this one is representing 2 sets, A and B. This one is representing 2 sets, A and B. And in these 2 sets, A and B, like I said, this Venn diagram is the rectangular figure. Is this Venn diagram? And in this Venn diagram, I was telling you that we have 4 regions. 4 regions means 4 different O's that we can talk about. And the first one is the one that is outside. The one that is outside the circle of A and B. You know, is it not a region? It's a region now. Can't you see where I am circling? Can't you see?
Yes, sir.
Where I am circling, is it not inside this rectangle?
It is, sir.
Yes, so that one is the first region. And that region,
yes, sir.
A is not in that region, B is not also in that region, but the region is in the universal set. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That one is the name that we call that one. We say is the region that is not in A and that is not in B, but in the universal set. And there is a way we write it in set notation. We write it as A prime union B prime. That's how we write it in set notation. A prime union B prime. That is the region that is not in A and that is also not in B, but in the what? In the universal set. So that is the first one. Then another region is where you have 18, 20, 21. You can see that that region is outside this boundary, the boundary of this arm of B that is here. Can you see? Can you see this thing? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
that this one, anything outside this one to this place is this region where you have 18, 20, 21. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
You see, you are still saying no. Don't you have eyes? You are still, what do you mean by no?
I'm not with my glasses.
Continue, sir.
We saw your icon. We saw your icon.
Get your glasses.
Continue, sir.
Go and restore your eyes. Go and restore your eyes.
This thing is conspicuous enough to see.
So I'm trying to zoom it. That's what
We
I'm
do
trying
not
to.
admit old people in this program.
Why are you lying?
We don't admit old people in this program.
No, we have old people.
That's for DLI now.
They have eyes. They have good eyes.
Can you be 100? You cannot be. You cannot reach. Are you 100 now? Have you reached 100?
Why are you lying?
There is 105.
Why are you lying?
This class won't kill me.
What you now use certificate for? What we now use if you are 100? Is that what that we will use to enter paradise?
Nagari
Last time I went to heaven, you say they told me to go and bring my certificate in school.
You want to use certificate that have
guys, let the lecturer continue, please. We don't have time.
If you are 100 and above, and you are still pursuing certificate, will certificate lead you to heaven? Is that what to enter?
Yes.
That's what AJ Michael told me, sir.
That's
what AJ Michael told me.
Yes, sir.
It's okay, guys. Enough of the jokes.
We wasted enough time now. Let us get this straight.
I don't understand.
Can we get to the
Please
point
continue.
now?
That certificate will take you to heaven.
Yeah,
yes, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir. Can we continue?
Certificate will take you to heaven.
AJ Michael said it, sir. Sir,
please ignore them. Let's continue.
It's okay. Enough of the jokes now.
Too likely.
Now, as I was saying, you have identified the first region, the one
Yes,
that
sir.
is outside here. The second one occupied by 18, 20, and 21. The third
Yes, sir.
one occupied by 12 and 20.
12 and 20.
12 and 20.
And the fourth one occupied by 6 and 8.
6 and 8.
Yes. So this one occupied by 18, 20, 21. That is the region that is for A only. That is for what?
A only.
Look at the A. Look at A. You know the circle for A is like this. The circle for A is like this. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
But it is from here that B enter A. Can you see now?
Yes,
So if you remove all B from here, if you remove all B, you are going to be left with 18, 20, 21. So the region for A only is what we call is what is 18, 20, 21. And there is a way we write it in set notation. We write it as A prime intersection universal set. A prime intersection universal set. So this region where you have 12 and 20 is the intersection of both A and B. Look at that region where you have 12 and 20. You know, this region is formed by the arms of A and B. Can you see now? You can see that the arms of A and B met to form the region occupied by 12 and 20. Can you see? See the arm of B. See the arm of B. See the arm of B. Can you see? Also, see the arm of A. Can you see the arm of A? You know that it is where the both of them meet. The region they banded is that of 12 and 20. And that is why we call it A intersection B.
Okay.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Doris, clear to you?
Yes, sir.
That means
we are with you, sir.
Now, look at this place now. You can see that this place, if this place is where we call A only, what will this place called?
D only.
Very good of you.
Only.
Very good of you.
B
Very good of you. You can see that this place of
B
6
prime
and 8
only
is where we have only B. You know, when you remove the circle of A, you are going to be left with this place alone, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are we now saying? What are we saying?
Off
your mic now, guy.
Please mute your mic. Mute your mic.
So I'll continue now.
Thank you. Now, okay. Now, what we are now saying here is that assuming you are required that this element, you know, this is the universal set, isn't it?
Yes,
you are
sir.
doing is the universal set 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, whatever.
21, 20, 25.
Very good of you. Assuming that you are required to represent it on a Venn diagram. You draw your Venn diagram out. Are you there?
Yes,
draw
sir.
Venn diagram
Yes,
for
sir.
A and B. Now, those things that you now try to locate those things. The one that belong to A and B. Look at you have already been given the element that belong to A. You have been given the element that belong to B. Then you now try to get the element that belong to A and B, A intersection B. After getting the element that belong to A and B, you now fix them there. Where you have A only, fix them there. Where you have B only, fix them there. Where you have A intersection B, fix A intersection B first. By the time you fix A intersection B first, then whatever element that remains to A, fix it to A only. whatever element that remain for B, you fix it for B only. Then the remaining elements that are not in A and that are also not in B, you now fix it where in the space that you have in the Venn diagram. And that is how we come about this Venn diagram for the representation of this set. That's how we come about this Venn diagram for the representation of this set. Now, let me look at another one because I will give you what you okay. This is a question. This is a problem. This is a what?
Hey, listen.
This is a problem.
A problem.
Let us see.
Problem.
Assuming you are given this problem,
A
how
problem.
are we going to solve it? So we can solve it. You see, in mathematics, when we say problem, we refer to problem as question. So in most cases, when I give you problem, it is question that I give you, not that kind of problem you may be thinking about. You understand?
Because I'm scared already.
No. That is what we call that is what we call question in mathematics. We call it problem. So you so that
Problematic question.
You don't do. And I not come up from a secondary school. You don't do.
So
Please,
that is why those of us we are problem solvers. We solve problems.
Yeah, woman.
Yeah, man.
I don't know what you consider that woman.
Now, look at this. They say each of the 30 members of a microfinance bank can have no account or at least one type of account in an international bank. If 12 members have saving account only, 10 have current account only, and 3 have neither current nor saving account in the international bank, how many members? One have the two types of account: saving account, current account, and we are to represent the piece of information in the Venn diagram. You see now, if you look at that question itself, they say each of 30 members. 30 members is our universal set. Our universal set is 30 in this case. Can have no account or at least one type of account. When we say have no account, that it is possible for it not to have an account. And when we say at least one account, if one person can have at least one account, it means that it can have all the accounts. Do you get that interpretation?
No.
No, sir.
No,
sir.
Grammar, in mathematics,
No, sir.
We have the way of expressing our own grammar in mathematics. When I say, when we make use of at least in mathematics, even ordinarily, it means it can be that thing or more than that thing. When I say Anna is at least 25 years old, technically, what does it mean?
It means 25 years above.
25 years above.
Very good.
25, sir.
Very
The rate
good.
of 25, sir.
Very good. Very good. The meaning, the interpretation technically, that is that Anna cannot be less than 25. But Anna can be what? Can be more than 25. Do you get it now?
Yes.
But if I now say, we want to give a contract to somebody, we want to give a contract to a member of accounting class who is at most 30 years old. Who is at most 30 years old.
Dara.
And here is one Anna Oluwaseun, who is 35 years old. Is Oluwaseun Anna eligible for that contract? Is he eligible?
No,
sir.
Why?
Because she's above 30
Because she's
years old,
above
and the
30.
agreement that was given was 30 years. At
Because you are
most,
above
30
30,
years.
she's above 30.
Yes. You see, we cannot. I will call you. I will call you, Thorsten. Let me quickly explain this. Now, you see, we can die. Oluwa Johnson is not eligible for that contract, because when we make sure of the statement at most, we mean that thing and anything below it. So those people that will be qualified to get that contract will be somebody who is 30 or somebody who is below 30. So Balogun want to ask a question. Yeah, Balogun, ask.
Just mention what I want to say now, sir.
I have a question, sir. Please,
Hello,
sir.
sir. I have a question, sir.
Okay, what is the question?
Hello.
I
My
know
own
what
question is your
You push, you allow one
sir.
person to talk, man.
Hello, sir. Please, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
One person should talk.
Okay, sir. Please. I'm not to talk about your screen, sir. Barely see your screen. I don't know how you can do it for us to widen it so that we can be following it, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, you cannot see the. You can't see the screen widely.
The screen is
Zoom
wide.
it. Just zoom it.
We can see it now. You can zoom in.
You can zoom by yourself now.
Sir, please leave these people and continue.
Please, I have a question, sir.
Okay, what is the question?
Yes, sir. Concerning that union A and B, I don't really understand that part, sir.
Okay, for the diagram, for the first diagram.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just dragging us back.
When we
Wait, please answer a question.
His time is not on our side again.
Let her answer a question. Now, which one is dragging back?
Which one is
when
not
we say union,
brighten your phone.
You see that when we say, in this question, union is not there. If you want to make,
Yes,
if you want to get union, we are going to combine. It's only intersection that they talk about here. If we want to find A union B, all the elements in A and in B are going to be combined
Each of the 30
together
members of the
without writing an element twice. The person that asked question, do you understand now?
I can hear you, sir.
Understood, sir.
Do you get it now, sir? Ma?
Yes.
Sir.
So in the problem given to us, the problem does not talk about union at all. But you can still get the union of A and B. To get the union of A and B means to combine all the elements in A and elements in B together without writing or repeating an element. That's just it. That's union. Blessing, Oya, talk.
Sir, can you explain the symmetric difference?
Yeah, symmetric difference is up there.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's very close to what you're doing now.
You don't pass on. Go back to the diagram, sir. You see there.
Now?
Yes.
Yes. No.
F.
Yes.
No.
Which one is no? Is this not?
Which one is no?
Which one is no?
It's F, sir. It's F, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
The symmetric difference of two sets.
Go ahead, sir.
You see, when we say symmetric difference, as you can see here, it's just the difference of two particular sets. As you can look, let us start from difference of two sets. The difference between two sets is denoted by this, A minus B, or by this. That is, A intersection B complement is the set of elements in the set A that are not in B. So if you want to find A minus B, it means that the element that belongs to A, but it does not belong to S plus element in B. The same thing for B minus A. Now, if you look at what is here, assuming we are given an element A to be 1, 2, 3, and we are given an element B to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then what will now be A minus B? You know that A minus B is going to be A intersection B complement. So we are going to find the complement of B here. We are going to find the complement. You know, complement of B, we mean the element that is in the universal set, but that is not in B. You know, the universal set for set A and B will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the element, is the universal set of A and B, then what will now be the B complement?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It should be 1.
Yes, B complement is now going to be what? It's now going to be 1. Therefore, A minus, you know, our A minus B is what? A intersection B complement. Yes. So our A intersection B complement is what? Is 1. That is why our A minus B is 1 here.
Yes. 1.
I don't know whether you get it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So,
no, sir. No, sir.
We get it.
No, sir. No, sir.
You will not get it, sir.
Sir, I don't get it, sir.
I don't get it.
I did not get it, sir.
Listen, my dear people.
We did not get it.
Listen.
It's simple now. What is in A that is in B? Wow.
Is there 4 in?
Don't worry yourself.
That one is not correct. That second answer is not correct.
That second answer is having problem. That is to tell you that you are reasonable. It's not correct. You know, there is, you know, by if you have the way of detecting error, by the time you look at something, you can easily detect that this thing is having problem. And it is possible because this thing is typed, and the person that typed it can easily make mistake. Nobody is above mistake. So when we say difference of two sets, by difference of two sets, we mean that by difference of two sets, if it is set A and B, it is the same thing as A intersection B complement. Okay. If it is B minus A, it is going to be B intersection A complement. So, assuming we now give an example, you know that if this one is set A that contains this element 1, 2, 3, and this one is set B that contains element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then to get the difference between A and B, to get the difference between set A and B, what do? We are going to get A intersection B complement. And here, to get the complement of this set B, we get the universal set first. And what is the universal set? The universal set is the set that contains all the elements in A and B. And the combination of all the elements in A and B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the complement, are the universal set of A and B, then the complement of B will be the element that belongs to the universal set, but not in B. And what is that element?
Is 1.
Is 1.
Very, very, very good of you. Very, very, very good of you. That means that 1 is the difference between set A and B. So okay. That is just it. But for that of this B minus A, this one is incorrect, as one of our persons has rightly said.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 4.
Yes. It's very good of you. Very good of you. Very good of you.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, ma. Hello, ma.
It's supposed to be.
Are you supposed to come again in the definition of that complement?
Christy.
Okay.
Can you just go on at the end of the class? We answer questions.
Okay, listen. Let me say it again. The complement. Oh yeah, write it down. Is it Anna that is asking?
I'm not the one, sir.
Is it okay? No problem. Yeah, write it down. The person that is asked that asked that question, let that person write this thing, write the definition down.
Go on, sir.
The complement of a set A.
Set A.
The complement of a set A are the collection of elements the complement of a set A
A collection of elements.
are the collection of elements
A collection of elements
that belongs to the universal set.
that belongs to us, sir.
Universal
that belongs
set.
to the universal set.
To universal set.
That belongs to the universal set.
Okay, universal set.
Yes, that belongs to the universal set.
Complements of A and B.
The complement of a set A.
Of
The complement of a set A are the collection of elements that belongs to the universal set.
Sir, come again, sir. From that. I'm not from
Time is not our side, though.
Complement of a set.
Complement of a set
I will
collection of elements.
Just write
Daddy,
it
she
in
go
the
to
comment
comment
section.
section.
Belongs to the
Comment
universal
section.
set.
You guys should just keep
That
quiet
belongs
now.
To the universal set.
The
Because your mother
complement of a set A.
Understand to ask question. Voila.
Yeah, no verse, so.
Are the collection of elements.
Are the collection of elements
that belongs to the universal set.
that belong to the universal set.
Universal set. So you can continue, sir.
But not in A.
Belong to.
You can continue with your
That.
The complement of a set A.
So move on. Everybody have right.
Are the collection of elements that belongs to the universal set, but not to A. For example, let U.
But not what, sir?
But not to A.
Exactly, for example.
For example. Let U equals to
Joey.
Ta ló sọ yẹn? Let U equals to bracket open. You know the kind of bracket you are going to write. You know we are doing set. Not the
Yes,
bracket you are
sir.
used to. Curly bracket. Or braces. Bracket open. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Dot, comma.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
10.
10.
10.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Bracket close.
Bracket close. Okay.
Okay, sir.
A, capital letter A equals to.
Sir?
Capital letter A equals to. Bracket open.
Sir, please 1, 2, 3, comma.
1, 2, 3,
comma.
dot.
Man,
Bracket
then
close.
10 bracket close.
You guys should keep quiet. Let you. Oh, you guys behaving like a kindergarten children.
Sir, please.
Kindergarten,
I don't know whether.
What kind of person is this one?
Talking.
These are the old people people we are talking about now.
Very funny.
Sir, the instruction is for them to mute their mic. As they are repeating after you, we are not hearing you now.
Abi, no, I'm joking. When I say old people, I'm joking. Not that.
And you will repeat as well.
Sir, continue, sir.
Sir, we are all
One
old.
oh five
Don't mind them. We are old
AGL.
people, sir. We are old people.
Sir, let's continue, sir.
I hear what the lecturer
But
is
you
saying.
did not put your mind. You did not put your mind. That is it.
Now, Allah is too much. I beg.
Sir, let's continue.
Sir, please continue, sir.
Okay.
Please
I said,
continue.
for example, let u equals to 1, 2, 3, dot, comma, 1, 0, bracket close. And capital letter A equals to bracket open.
Yeah.
2, two, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Make sure to put your command.
Yes, we have done
You
that.
have to put comma there now.
Yes,
I don't
sir,
need
sir.
to tell you that.
We have done that, sir.
Now, yes,
we
close the bracket. Close the bracket. What is the complement of A?
Are we to write it down, sir?
Yeah,
It's one.
I'm using that as a sample. The complement of, from the definition given to you, the complement of A will be the collection of elements that will be in the universal set, but which are not in A. Can you write them down? And I want Mary to give us the answer.
Again.
Is it Gege? Which one is Gege? This guy is not serious.
Sir, I can't hear the question, sir.
You cannot what?
I can't hear the question, sir.
I
Sir,
said
it's the prime numbers.
what is the complement of A? And I want Mary to give us the answer.
Okay.
Mary, ASAP.
Mary, are you there?
Yeah.
Mary don't japa.
Mary no sabi
I cannot see Mary there again. What is
Don't
happening?
worry. Mary don't
Mary,
disappear.
Magdalene. Mary has disappeared. Mary Magdalene.
Mary left.
No, so far.
Mary don't disappoint.
The answer.
Let me man continue now.
Sir, the answer.
Answer the answer.
Okay, the answer. Who is the person? Who is the person giving us the answer there?
Is it Mary?
Ali Miriam. One. The answer is 13579.
Clap the woman or the girl or what is it? Clap the woman. Clap the woman or the girl.
We are woman, yes.
Sorry, is that odd number?
Clap the woman to clap the woman.
Now, ladies,
Clap the woman.
You guys, you clap the woman now. Women, clap the woman.
The woman has made the women proud.
Except Mary.
What does that one mean? Mary does not intersect.
Mary leave. Mary leave.
So that is what intercession is all about. That is
1357, sir. Comment section. Share comment section.
Sir, is it intersection or compliment?
It's 135.
135.
The answer is
13579.
There is 10 there. You guys should remember 10. There is 10 there.
There's no 10. There's no 10 there.
There's no 10.
10 is common to
There's 9 there.
One kilo.
Now, let us come to this problem. That of each of the 30 members of a microfinance bank can have no account or at least one type of account in an international bank. If 12 members have saving accounts only, 10 have current account only, and 3 have neither current nor saving. So we have to get the 2 types of accounts, saving account, current account, and to represent that thing in the Venn diagram. You know that from the information that we have been given that we have 2 sets, saving and current account. So we draw our Venn diagram like this, and we have been told that those that can have saving account only, how many of them? 12. You know, those one will represent, will occupy this place. And those that have current account only is 10. Those one will represent, those one will be occupied this one only. And those that can have both of them, you know, we are not told those that can have both of them, either saving account and current account, we are not given. Therefore, we can represent that one by letter X, meaning unknown. Meaning unknown. And then we say, and we also be given the problem that 3 of them, you know, here they say, and 3 have neither current nor what, nor saving. That if we have 3 of them do not have any account at all, neither saving nor current, no account. You know, the people that have no account is still part of the, they are still part of the population. They are still part of the, yeah, isn't it?
Yes.
So, you know, we still have
bloody civilians.
you know, we see how many students now that are not attending this lecture, don't we?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are they still not part of you?
We are.
Yeah. Part of us, sir.
Yes, so they still belong to the set. They belong to the set. Even though they are not part of today's class. So we put them there, these 3. Now, we now have our universal set. What's our universal set? Who can tell us our universal set?
30.
30. That is the population of all of them. Meaning that if we had all of them together, if we have all of them together, it means that the total will equals to 30. And that is how we come about this equation. From this equation now, we can now know the value of X. And how do we know the value of it? We had 12 and 10 and 3 together to get 25. And we now make S subject of the formula. And by the time we make S subject, S is equal to 5. Meaning that the number of people in that bank that are having both saving and current account in the international account are what? Are 5 members. Are what? Are 5 members. So we can now get we can now use that idea to get other information. So we can now know the total number of people that have saving accounts. You know that these 5 people means people that have what? They have saving account and they also have current account.
Current accounts.
Yes. So to now know the number of people that have saving account now, will now be 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 will be everything that have saving. You know that everything that have saving, we may see have some of them that do not have current, but they have saving. So that's how we have 12 plus S, which is 12 plus 5, making 17. And this and
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, what is the question, ma?
Back to the solution.
Yes,
how do you come up with the number 30? How do you get to correct?
Wait, don't that's the answer. Look at this question. Each of the 30 members of a microfinance bank, each of the 30 members of a microfinance bank can have no account or at least one type of an account. You know, this is how we come about this 30. Universal set. Totality. Total of all of them. Do you get it now, sir? Do you get it now, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, it's clear to me now.
Okay, thank you.
Sir.
So that is how we come about that result. Now, you know that I said in most cases, we do use a Venn diagram to represent either 2 problems or 3 problems. We have considered a case when we use 2 problems. Now, we now want to consider another case when there can be 3 problems. We want to consider another case when there can be 3 problems. Let us read this problem first. In this problem, the question says, there are 80 insurance agents.
Who have sold insurance?
My dear people, I promise you, if you cooperate with me, by the time you come physically, I will, like I said, I will teach you all these things again, and I will make this class very interesting to you. In fact,
Wow.
I will make you love mathematics. I will make you love this aspect of set. And
Thank you.
there is
very
no
much,
way.
sir.
Thank you,
There is no way your exam
be happy
question will not contain problem on set. There is no way. So I will make sure that I teach you very well, and even the question that will come in the exam, we are going to practice this together. Because we are going to practice something that is related to it, so that if you come across in the exam, you will have what it takes at least to solve the problem. So don't let us entertain any fear. We are still going to get the best out of it. Just let us do the little we can do now, because I know that some of you.
Thank you very much.
This thing may be scaring some of you, but I will make you understand. You will get it.
Thank you very much, sir. We really do appreciate
Daddy,
this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Like set.
We appreciate it, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay now. I'm
Baba Tiwa nìyẹn.
You put it stop now.
Sir, can I have your number? Can we have your number?
It's okay.
Daddy want to have our
Stop the
number.
bullying.
Daddy
Stop
want to have our
The class
number.
ended.
Stop the bullying.
Can
It's okay
you
now.
stop this
Let us
play?
concentrate.
Can you stop this play?
Let's solve the second one, please.
Now, look at the second one. The second one has to do with 3 sets. And you can see that they say there are 80 insurance agents who have sold insurance policy to their customer. Already this 80 has told, as this 80 has informed, this one is your universal set.
Yes.
That is the totality of all of them. Universal. Now, the thing is now broken down. They say, suppose 31 of the agents sold auto insurance policy only. This one means we now only 50 dental policy only and 12 health policy only. Why 9 did not sell any of the 3 classes of insurance? You can see now. So, assuming we want to solve this type of problem, now we begin by saying, let universal set equals to 80.
80.
Let the number of agents that sell auto insurance, we may represent that one by A. Say number of A equals to 21. Number of D equals to 50. Number of H equals to what? 12. Number of not A, not D, not H equals to what? 9.
9.
So that is, we have started, haven't we? Yes, we have. So, and they say, not say any of the things. The 11 agents sold auto, and then that is A intersection D equals to 11. Number of intersection D equals to 11. 8, both of dental are 8. Number of D intersection H equals to 8. And the number of A intersection H equals to what? Equals to 10. They say Venn diagram, they say use Venn diagram to determine the number of agents who sold all the 3 insurance policies. All the 3 means number of A, intersection number of D, intersection number of H, and that one equals to X, because we are not given. You can see that we are not given the number of agents that sold all the 3 insurance policies. So we can represent that one by what? We can represent that one by X. So we now get number of auto policy, number of this and that. So I can say that we can now begin to start that our insurance, we say our universal set is equal to 80. S, those who sold auto policy. D, those who sold dental policy 8, those who sold health policy. And we begin to locate them and we solve. So by the time we solve, we get X and put S there to get all other things that we may require to solve. So this is what we have. This is what we have. Just my take here is that I want you to just go through it. Just look at it. Whatever you think you understand as far as this thing is concerned, just try to get it. And then by the grace of God, by the time we meet physically, we will have opportunity to look at all these things physically again, and then we have the chance at least to interact and then to point to some of the things physically, and then we'll be able to get better side of it. Like the one where I want to solve here. Don't forget that when we want to solve problem like this, we are going to draw the Venn diagram. We are going to draw the Venn diagram. And
Okay,
when we draw the Venn diagram, we locate each of those things. The first thing we are going to locate is that we locate the number of those that are partaking in all the 3 insurance policies, which is X. And that one will contain the intersection of all the arms of the 3 circles. So by the time we locate it, then we now, another thing is that we locate, you know that I've explained the regions of 2 sets for you, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, 3 set also has its own region. Set also has its own, and the region for 3 set contain 8. It contains 8 regions. Let me show it to you. Let me show that 8 regions to you.
That question, Shoko.
Oh, now wait till me. I'm in love with this.
So this is what we're reading.
Now, wow.
Love.
Wait, I love you.
Ah.
Hey, baby.
Wow. Hey.
You see, I've been transformed for your life now.
That has gone up.
Class doing.
Sir,
Yes.
come back.
He's still here. He's still here.
Yeah.
Can you see this thing?
Yes, sir.
My heart is beating.
Can you see this thing?
It will screenshot.
Yes.
Can you see this thing?
You cannot see it clearly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
SYZ. SYZ. You can see that here, this one has 8 regions. 8 regions. This one is the first region, the second region, the third region, the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th. So, you know, unlike the first one, 2 set that has just 4, that of 3 set has 8. And then each of these regions also has the name that they call them and how we write them in set notations. For example, now, this one is what? This one is what we call X only. You know that it is in this place that you do not see any arm, that you should not see anything that goes into X. This, you know that this one, everything for Y here is outside the region of Y and Z, isn't it? So these 2 is what we call Y only.
Hello?
2
Shoti Deveni.
No respect.
Please mute your mic.
Why you like that? You're a very wicked, bad girl, wicked girl.
Naughty girl.
Who is that girl? Who is that girl?
Never reach there.
Who's your mic?
Naughty girl.
It's okay.
That girl will be your baby.
It's okay, please.
Okay, now.
Is it up to that? Come on, see the girl now, show.
Everybody know the list. See how you spoil everything.
Bad egg.
You see,
I wonder why woman do this.
we are going
Leave the girl now. I'm gonna leave the girl now.
to end this
You
lecture
guys
for
say
We are
it's
with
okay.
you,
It's
sir.
okay.
We are with you, sir.
you see. Let us
Big
end it
bird.
for today so that you people will have opportunity to attend
Sir, we are
some
with you, sir.
other
Please, can
important
we
things.
Yeah,
have those
yeah.
We are with you,
questions?
sir.
Let us resolve those
Okay,
I have
questions.
question.
I know that
It's
you
that guy
people
that
are
spoil
very
everything. I swear. Suppose stop king.
you people are very busy. You have appointment here and there.
Sir, please, we want to screenshot those questions.
waiting one screenshot. Waiting you do. We don't understand.
Why did you want
But
to
you have
screenshot?
modules already
Where did you
now.
want to
So why
screenshot?
is
At
You
least
see,
I
I
have
don't
question.
understand.
Abeg.
Waiting you want.
I will send the module I use for today's
You
lecture
don't
to
understand
your
anything
rep.
with the talk of class.
Thank you,
And
sir.
I
Thank you,
believe
sir.
through your rep
Can
you
I
will
ask
get it.
question?
We need it. We need it.
Ask.
Sir, please, when representing this thing, can you start from anyone?
When
Who are
representing
presenting?
what, sir?
Like when, like this number 1, 2,
Get
3, 4.
diagram.
Can you start from anyone, anywhere?
You can start. You can let anyone be one. You can let anyone be number one.
If you start for anywhere, go later feel
Sir, please, I have a question.
Yeah, what is the question?
If we solve the question, how are we going to? I would like to send it to you so that you can confirm if it's correct or not.
Wow.
You want to send this to me?
Like after solving the question that
Yes,
you
student.
showed us, I want to try and solve it so I can send it to you.
Ask your
And you say
metal
you have
now.
a
I
Ask
will
your
question.
maybe
metal.
I will give
Metal
you
on
my
your
email.
question.
I will give you my email
You have
address to
metal.
send it there.
Sir,
So
I have a
to
Or she
question.
made
go.
it to his
Okay, sir.
address. Made it to his address.
I will send my email address. I will send my email address to your
Sir,
rep.
I have a
I think
question.
Please let the question be 8.
Please, I'm not hearing you. They're making noise.
Hello, sir. Can I have your number? Can we have your number, sir?
Who be this
Your phone
I
man?
will
number.
send my number to your
Which one
rep.
is to
You
be
send
this
it
one?
to
You
me.
could
My
have
WhatsApp
respect. I
number.
don't
Who is that one
understand.
that say we be
Man
there?
now.
Are you guys serious?
They will give you question finish because they use AI GPT go the solve question out.
Wait 2 minutes.
That's what you are doing.
Mo ti send ẹ sí. Ẹni kan check ẹ.
Hey, this
Who
guy
is
don't
that
start
one? Who is
again.
this
Zan,
Coca-Cola?
do
Please, who
well
is that
now.
again?
Why you do me like this now?
Get wrong about brain.
Send
What?
both my email
This
address
Yoruba
and my
girls here.
contact. Send both of them to them.
Please, I have a question, sir.
Auntie
Blessing
Ruth,
and
so
grace.
I
When
said
you
it.
cause
Have you
this
sent my email address and contact to
Please,
them?
can we get the email and the number on the screen?
Sir, I
Please,
have
let's
a
get your number, please,
question,
sir.
sir. Hello,
Sir, can we
sir.
get you on the screen?
After
You
the
will get
class,
it
I
Can
will
we
to
send
get
your
it
it
to
on the
you.
right.
screen?
Oh my God. You guys are just making noise. Why now?
Sir, I have a
Sir,
question,
can we get
sir.
the email
What are you
address and the
asking?
number
Go
on the
to his
screen?
You
DM. That's what
shall
he said.
come out.
Sir, for the email address and your phone number, after the class, I will send it to the group and to the other class rep. So they will
Sir,
get it from their group.
Yes.
sir, please, I have a question.
After class.
Okay, let them get it. Thank you. Let them get it.
Thank you
Sir,
for
please, I
Sir,
have
that.
a
how
question.
can we
Nobody
get
shall
your
any.
phone,
Don't
sir?
ask any question again, please.
Sir, please, I have a question.
Which question are you
Which
asking?
question,
Yeah,
Sir,
sir?
what is
please,
the question?
are we going to continue from the module next class?
No. It's from your textbook.
You say it is from where we talk that we are going to start next time. Or I may
Yes.
even jump it and go to logic.
Thank you, sir. Some
Thank
people
you.
cannot release.
But the rest are sure. You know, I'm promising you. Whatever we do now, I'm still going to retake it and do it when you come physically by the grace.
Sir,
Okay,
Because
sir.
I want
Which one is time
I
up?
want you to get the best.
Sir, please don't forget to give the
secondary
girl
Sir,
school.
that
please.
asked
Sir, please, when are
for
we resuming for the
assignment.
physical, sir?
You know what?
Okay.
When I
This guy
ask
won't
your
block person for physical class. I swear. The guy don't mean
It
person.
is normal that all of you have my contact.
Okay, where is
It is
matriculation?
normal.
But sir, I don't
Sir,
have it
please.
though.
Ask her
Us
first, whether
all
they
have
don't do
We'll
application.
share
contact.
it after class.
And
Sir,
email
please call
Please,
your
when are
address.
we
number.
doing
Please call
our
your number.
matriculation,
Your
sir?
class rep will share you.
Information is power.
Unofficially, the class is over.
Only that didn't enjoy the class.
I
My first time attending this class.
I don't play.
It's my first time, please.
Thank
And
you
I
so
don't
much,
have
sir.
it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I wish you best of luck.
When I wish
Thank
What
you,
did they do all
sir.
this woman?
I wish you
They
best
do all
of
this
Let us hear
luck.
what I beg.
Thank you, sir.
Political.
You
Have a nice day,
you
sir.
still have lecture today.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I will
sir. We
still have,
do.
sir.
Definitely.
I wish you all the best. So just
Thank
put
you,
in your
sir.
best.
Thank you, sir.
Just tough time. Do not last. But tough people. What happened to tough people?
Tough
They
people
laugh.
last.
Tough time. Do not last. But
Tough people last.
People do.
I want you people to be tough.
I don't
I want you
understand,
to
sir.
be tough. I
I don't
want you to
understand,
be
sir.
tough.
Mary the top. Mary the top.
If you are tough, I want you to be tougher. If you are
Mary the top.
already tough, I want you to be tougher. But if you have
Stopper.
not been
Èmi
tough,
ò
I
dẹ̀
now
mọ
want
bí
you to
màá
be
ṣe
tough.
ṣe.
Top
Thank
person
you,
around the lady.
sir.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless
Thank you,
you.
sir. Thanks so much, sir.
Let us hear what I beg.
You
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
next
Thank
time,
you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
you
very
will
much,
get
sir.
the
Thank you very
recognition
good.
Thank you.
by the grace of God.
Una no worry.
Bye, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Una
You will
I go straight
get
for
the
exam hall, no
recognition
worry.
this
I pity all of una.
grace of God.
Mary the top.
Sir,
Amen.
calm down.